Welcome once again. Let's talk about Shiba Inu coin and why you need to hold this coin. Yes, you need to even buy more Shiba Inu coin, but please don't buy what you cannot afford to lose. Shiba Inu is still trading with about 4 zeros, and remember, Dogecoin, as of 8 years ago, was trading with a lot of zeros, and Dogecoin have hit millions of percent, even including Shiba Inu. Now, based on analysis, based on expert prediction, based on Shiba Inu project, based on technical and fundamental analysis, Shiba Inu might be deleting 2 zeros or hitting 1 cent. Now imagine a coin with 4 zeros right now, deleting 3 zeros. It's almost hitting 100,000%. It simply means if you have $100, you'll be getting about $100,000 with Shiba Inu. So what about $10? You'll be getting about $10,000 with Shiba Inu. So a $1 investment right now might be returning almost $1,000 if Shiba Inu price that you see today hits 1 cent. If the price of Shiba Inu. So the major thing is buying Shiba Inu coins, buying what you can afford to lose. Leave it. Let's assume it takes Shiba Inu next 7 years. Like that's what I did, and I will continue to do more with some other coins. I mean, imagine me investing $20. Let me just bring it down. Okay, let's say I invested $20 on Shiba Inu, and I decided to forget about it till whatever 2030, 2031. In the long run, you must see Shiba Inu finally hitting 1 cent. I will like, okay, 1 cent, almost 100,000. That means I'll be getting about $20,000. 20,000 US dollars from a $20 investment. No matter how long it took. There is no investment I can start with $20 right now that in the next 7 years that will return about $20,000. It will be difficult. It will be very difficult. You can say this is doing nothing, just buying and holding the coin. What about Shiba Inu now hits, let's say 10 cents? You see? So Shiba Inu right now is one of the best coin anyone crypto holders can buy and hold, because anything can happen. This coin can still reach the level of Dogecoin. It can reach the level of so many coins we saw with a lot of zeros, and today you can see where they are trading. So, but remember, I'm not saying you should go and buy or invest huge amount of money on Shiba Inu. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. So please, kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.